Hello and welcome to my usual tech unboxing setting. And if you know the TechnoBok YouTube channel, you'll know that I love nifty gadgets, particularly when they're photography based. Some time back I took a look at the Instax Mini printer, a really cool and nifty gadget which lets you print photos on the go. Well, now today I've been sent this. It's the Instax Mini 11. It's a printer which has got a very retro feel to it. It's in cool white and it lets you not only snap the photo but also print it. You can of course play around and edit your photos using the app-based software, and just like with the mini printer, you got these Instax Mini films which go into it and let you print and share your memories. So without anything further, let's get the box open, see what comes inside, and then create some cool and nifty photos, create some memories. So first things first, let's start with taking a look around the box. On the front you're greeted with the image, Instax Mini Instant Camera. This one is in ice white. On the side you get an idea of an actual size of what a print will look like. And over on the back you've just got a couple of features. It's got one-touch selfie mode, particularly handy for those selfie images. Cool to have. Brighter images with automatic exposure, as well as custom shutter accessories which are available. Apart from this, a couple of instructions in different languages, and I think it's time to open the box and see what actually comes inside. So first thing we are greeted with when we open the box, of course, is the main item here, the actual camera itself. Now it's really cool in the hand, it feels like a really nice product, and I love this. You get a little mirror there for, of course, your selfie type shots, and you get a very prominent flash, which will be great for those low light situations. And then over on the back here, the Instax branding, a viewfinder, and when you open it, you will there load your film and start taking your photos. You also have the Instax Mini instructional manual in a bunch of different languages. The other thing which of course comes with it in the packaging is the Instax Mini film. So we can break one of these open, but the film here, they've sent me 2 packs, comes with 10 being available. And if we tear this packaging open, let's have a look quickly at what the film looks like. I know it always prints initially a sample as your first one, and then from there you start getting your actual film prints ready to go. So let's load this into the camera. It gives you a marker which is really nice, so you can see you line up the yellow marker with what's inside the camera there, and as you close the battery door you find it's ready, and it'll tell you the number of prints you've got available. Simple as that. You power it on and we can start playing around. We can take our first photo. Simple with the Instax Mini 11 camera. It's easy to hold in the hand, and you've got that little lens on the front there to tell you exactly where you are, get the perfect selfie. Just pushing this little button, and quick as that, you can snap the photo. Comes straight out of the device's built-in printer, and you've got a brilliant and easy to use pic which you can start enjoying.